I want to hit that dookie spot right there. Like, look at that. Let me see if I can get that off. Get y'all a good look on that. All right, y'all. We in Philly D's garage. I wanted to show you. I got the Buick LS in the garage right now. I started the video kind of early because I was gonna do this video tomorrow, but I'm just gonna give y'all this scoop real quick. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of my little cleaning machines, and I want to show y'all how good it cleans. It's a decent machine, but like my carpets in here is like crazy fucking dirty, so I want to clean that up, clean all this shit up. Like back here, y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see the stain. Like, it's like a crazy ass stain down there. Look at that stain. But yeah, give y'all a little quick view real quick since I'm sitting here doing nothing. But I'm gonna use my little my tool I got over here. Yeah, this joint supposed to like pressure wash and shit, like pressurized stuff that you gotta clean. So it worked good. I used it and shit. So I just wanna, tomorrow I'm gonna show y'all how good that shit worked. You know what I mean? So in my time it'll be like a whole day, but in your time it's gonna be like the next second or so. So, but yeah, y'all stay tuned, and we gonna get on it tomorrow. Let's go. All right, y'all. So it's the next morning. I know I told y'all yesterday I'm gonna clean these mats in this car real quick. So that's what we gonna do. We just lighten up the little incense. You know what I mean? Before we get started though, first of all, let me put on the fitted. Second of all, let me get one of these bad boys. I want to show y'all this Buick real quick while I got this other door open. I just want to show y'all how dirty my Buick is. I'm sitting out here like, man, these trees out here don't show us no justice. Look how dirty this joint is. It's only been sitting here, I don't know, maybe a week. I don't even know. Look at all this shit though. Like, I can't sit my cars anywhere out here without so much shit getting on it. Bird shit, just grind, just messing up my plastic dip. I had this shit on there for like shit, I don't even know how many years now. Since 2010 I had that plastic dip on there. So y'all see all the tree shit. Look at all this stuff. Look at that. So I gotta clean him. All that shit from the trees. You know what I mean? Look at all of this stuff. Crazy. I can't park my cars nowhere out here. All right, so we gotta wash the GS. That's for another diesel. So, real quick, it's not gonna be a long video. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of this car real quick. I just want to show y'all how, I think I showed y'all there earlier. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how dirty these carpets are, and then I'm gonna show you how good this little machine I got over here. It's real simple. All you gotta do is hook the air up to it. Yeah, hook the air up to it, just like this. I already got air in the air compressor. That's it. You go to work. All right. So let me get inside this car, and we're gonna get started. All right, y'all, we back. I'm about to take y'all inside the car real quick. Damn, y'all see that? The door flew off. Oh shit.
Ooh, I think you lost a door or a hood. I think it's a door. Yeah, blew the door off.
That's crazy. Imagine going down the track at like 180 miles an hour.
If something flies from the car, it might be a loss. Let's see what
150, 160 miles an hour, your fucking door will fly off. Like, that's crazy.
Anything comes off. We're trying to, but we'll work. Here comes Sancho right there. Hold on, guys. Sancho in the golf cart.
They trying to say, like, if your door come off, it's automatic disqualification.
Alright, so unofficially, right lane, but they might review it and see exactly where the door flew, and I mean, that's one shitty way to lose.
That did not affect this thing whatsoever. Left lane one.
Left lane one. That's the final call. Left lane one. That's the event organizer.
Left lane.
There's a door.
Even though their door came off, but I thought the rules were if the body part come off or something like that, it's automatic. I don't know. When there's money on the line, man, they make up rules as they go. I don't know. I mean, a rule is a rule, though, but he said since he didn't affect them, whatever.
Left lane for the win. Left lane got it. All right, guys, so we're working.
All right, y'all. All right, so I done already pulled the hose over to that side of the car on a most worst stain, but on this side I wanted to give y'all a quick story real quick. This was like, I don't know, back at my first shop, right? I was driving and I left work to go get a bottle of liquor. All right. Don't matter where I went to get it from or how I got it, but by the time I got back to the shop, the whole bottle of liquor had poured down here because I had the bottle of liquor in my left hand pocket, and the top of it was leaning downwards. So I don't know how the bottle even opened. I don't even fucking know, but the whole bottle of tequila leaked back here, right here on this floor. The funny thing is that the tequila never smelled bad. It never made this car smell any worse than it already did. Like, it's kind of weird. I could barely even see a stain under there, but that's one of the reasons why I want to use this tool and try to pressure wash back here. And as y'all can see, this side it's a little worse than that side. I don't know if y'all can see that brown stain over there. See that? I don't even know what the fuck that is, and it's actually on a chair too, right up in here, if you can see that. So we're gonna put this little tool to test today, and we're gonna see if it can work some magic. Oh, he fucked up. He ain't get a good start. I'm gonna take a couple of these lights over there real quick so we can have some light. You know what I mean? Quick video, y'all. Nothing too much, man. Look at the GS, baby. Oh, I just love looking at that car. It's my baby. Yeah, yeah. Y'all didn't know Philly D could sing, huh? That's right. That's because I can't sing. That's why I didn't know. All right, y'all. So we got a little bit of light in here. All right, so as y'all can see the discoloration. I had this car since 2006. What the fuck is that? Let's get that shit out of here, out of the way. All right, so I had this car for a minute, y'all. So I don't even know what this is. I don't even know. I don't know. I've never sat on this side of the car, so I don't know why this. I mean, what the fuck? All right, bam. So we got the tool right here, y'all. Check them out. I knew when I bought this thing it was gonna do me some good. So we're gonna get right to work, y'all. I'm gonna make it easy for y'all. I'm not gonna make this video too long. It's already been too long. But y'all see this strip here? See all this? I'm gonna try to get that out right now just to show you guys how well this thing works. All right, so all we got in here is some simple green. There's some degreaser shit. We got the air hooked up. We're gonna go to work. Starting to look better already. Let me get in here real quick. All right, y'all. If y'all see some smoke coming out of here, I'm not sure if it's coming from here, the actual spray, which I think is coming from, but maybe coming from out of one of these seals too. But that degreaser is going to get in your throat, so maybe you could use something a little less harsh than what I got, which is simple green or purple, power purple. But just know that if you know that shit coming out, it's gonna get inside you. You're gonna breathe it in. But as y'all can see, it's definitely getting better. That fast. Like we literally just started doing this. You see, get y'all some light under there. That look better already. You know what I mean? Let me hit some of this here. I want to hit that dookie spot right there. Like, look at that. Let me see if I can get that off. Get y'all a good look on that. Yo, y'all see that shit, yo? Real shit, y'all see that? Look, I'm telling you, that stain been there for years, yo. Years. I don't know what it is, but this fucking tool just took it out. This damn tool right here just took it out. I'm not a sponsor or nothing, yo. I'm just using this tool, man. And this shit works. This shit works, yo. You can use it anywhere. Your house, your car, your engine, your wheels, don't matter what it is. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Look at this spot right here though. I gotta get him. I think the crazy thing is how fast it works. Like, look how fast it picks up the dirt. Like, it doesn't waste no time. Like, it's almost like it's instant dirt pickup, y'all. You know what I mean? So y'all seen it right here, man. This thing is a beast. I know that thing kind of loud, y'all, but I'm going to keep I'm gonna get at it again some more. You know what I mean, I'm gonna do both sides. Probably fuck with the front too. Of course I'm gonna do the front, right? That's where I sit at. So yeah, my knees started hurting. I probably sit on my little thing I got over here. Sit up on that so my knees won't hurt. But y'all see the difference though. Like, look at the difference over here. Looking in from the other side of the car. Look at that. Look how clean that is. We had a big ass brown spot there. It's not there no more. It's not there. That's pretty good. So y'all could do your seats with these, with that machine. Y'all can do literally whatever you want to do. Your panel, your door panel, if it gets dirt up here, clean it off with that. You know, of course you're gonna need some air for it to work. You do need air. So but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this is my little thing that I'm gonna sit my knees on. I love this thing, y'all. I was gonna do a review on it when I first got it, but then I was like, nah, it's kind of Joe. But there's a little review right here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna keep it pushing. I'm gonna finish it real quick. Just wanted to show y'all the LS real quick. She's still running good. And show y'all that tool, man. Help y'all clean up y'all carpets and shit. In-house carpet, car carpet, don't matter what kind of carpet. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. If y'all like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share. I'll catch you on the next one.